From enhancing creativity to streamlining workflows, these tools are revolutionizing the way designers bring their visions to life. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of graphic design with a countdown of the 25 best AI tools for 2024. So grab your sits and materials, and let's get to business. Number 1. Adobe Firefly. If you're looking for reliable and high-quality results, then starting with a reputable software brand like Adobe is a good choice. Firefly, along with Sensei, marks a significant step into the world of generative AI art, and the beta version is currently in full swing. Designers have a wide range of possibilities to explore. You have the option to create various forms of art using text prompts. If you prefer to concentrate on graphic design elements, simply select graphic as the content type. Certainly, depending on the design style, photorealism, or a more artistic approach could also be considered. Due to its efficiency, you can effortlessly experiment with various content types and explore numerous sub-styles to enhance your ideas. You have the option to choose from a variety of colors, lighting options, compositions, and aspect ratios. Number 2. Simplified. Simplified is an AI graphic design app that makes it easy to create beautiful designs for various digital products. This package offers a wide range of resources, such as invitations, ads, social media posts, long-form content, videos, and over 50 copywriting templates. You can utilize all of these tools without needing any technical coding knowledge. Simplified AI is able to help you with a wide range of tasks, including creating presentations, making memes, and removing backgrounds. Simplified also provides a feature for generating AI images from text prompts. These AI image generators effortlessly produce stunning images based on text inputs. Just type in prompts and let AI handle the rest for you. Number 3. Proof Hub. Designing teams often have a lot on their plate. From brainstorming ideas and creating design frameworks to making revisions and managing various tasks. An online proofreading tool like Proof Hub for designing teams will make it a breeze to manage all your tasks effortlessly. The client can provide clear instructions for minor adjustments, such as moving text or adding color to specific parts of the design. It streamlines the process by eliminating the need for multiple emails, feedback loops, and approvals, resulting in significant time savings. Proof Hub offers an intuitive online proofing tool that allows you to easily make changes to your file, leave comments, and identify design flaws, all while ensuring everyone stays informed. Number 4. Photor AI. Photor is a versatile AI art generator that can be a valuable tool for graphic designers. Maybe you're looking for a way to easily bring your ideas to life, whether it's for personal use or to showcase to clients. Or perhaps you'd like to easily visualize the same concept in various styles. This powerful tool has the ability to generate a wide range of designs, including logos, posters, product mock-ups, architecture, and interior design. It is made user-friendly with intuitive prompts and style selections. In addition, professional results can be achieved without requiring any design skills. Be sure to provide a thorough description with plenty of details. Number 5. Designs.ai. Designs AI is a comprehensive toolkit that utilizes AI to assist with graphic design, pushing the boundaries of what an AI design tool can accomplish. Designs AI provides a wide range of tools, including a unique logo, a convincing video, and effective social media promotion to meet all your needs. One of its key strengths is its machine learning capabilities, which enhance the design process by analyzing your preferences and providing a range of design solutions. Designs AI provides a wide range of tools to make your design journey efficient and personalized. Designs AI provides a user-friendly platform that fosters creativity and originality, regardless of your level of design experience. Number 6. FreePick. FreePick is a user-friendly design tool that aims to be the top choice for graphic designers, marketers, and creatives. It offers a vast collection of free design elements to cater to their needs. This collection features a wide range of assets, including stock imagery, PSDs, vectors, icons, templates, and even video content. Each item has been carefully evaluated and is ready for you to use. Searching for specific elements is made easier with its efficient search optimization. Additionally, receiving feedback from professionals fosters a strong sense of community. Their premium members enjoy an increased daily download limit and exclusive access to premium content, which is perfect for those who use their service frequently. Number 7. Canva. The process of generating graphics for social networking, blogging, and other purposes is made much simpler by the use of Canva, which is an online artificial intelligence graphic design tool. Using artificial intelligence for content creation, you can quickly develop a wide variety of content, including blog headers, innovative logos, infographics, and thumbnails for YouTube videos. Additionally, it features a drag-and-drop interface as well as straightforward pre-built templates that assume responsibility for the design, allowing you to concentrate on what is truly important. It is not necessary to have elaborate abilities or understanding of AI creating applications such as Photoshop or Illustrator in order to accomplish this. Number 8. Jasper Art. Jasper AI has recently introduced an art tool to its AI marketing solutions, making it more accessible and user-friendly. It operates similarly to DALL-E, Midjourney, and other engines that rely on prompts. Just provide a description of the image or design you want, and the AI will create it for you. Drop-down menus can be used to select from a variety of options, making it more convenient to meet the criteria for your graphic design project. This covers the medium, various styles, and overall mood of the image. If you need written and graphical content for your business or marketing needs, Jasper offers a range of services to meet your requirements. Unfortunately, Jasper Art cannot be purchased individually. Luckily, all plans offer a 7-day free trial, and you can create a few images without signing up. Number 9. Visme. Visme is a tool for graphic design that provides users with some of the most advanced artificial intelligence technologies currently available on the market. Without any prior knowledge of graphic design, it is simple to generate visuals of professional quality using the software's drag-and-drop interface, which makes it straightforward to produce such visuals. You're able to work together with other designers through the use of Visme. In addition to this, you're able to directly share your creations with customers in real time and to make modifications to your projects without having to start from zero. Number 10. Chroma. Chroma is an AI color tool that is highly valuable in the design process, particularly for choosing and maintaining consistent colors. Chroma specializes in creating personalized color palettes that offer a wide range of options to complement your unique style. Chroma goes beyond being just a basic color tool. It takes into account your color preferences and creates personalized palettes for you. This simplifies the process of color mixing and guarantees consistency in your design. If you're seeking color inspiration or aiming for consistency across your projects, Chroma is an excellent option. Number 11. NVIDIA Canvas. NVIDIA Canvas demonstrates the power of artificial intelligence by allowing users to create beautiful images with basic brushstrokes. NVIDIA Canvas is able to transform your paintings into breathtaking landscapes and intricate scenes by employing a method known as GAN, which stands for Generative Adversarial Network. NVIDIA Canvas gives anyone the ability to create visuals that are truly gorgeous and colorful. Your simple sketches will be transformed into masterpieces with the help of this application, regardless of whether you are a digital artist or design enthusiast. This is a fantastic illustration of how artificial intelligence has the potential to make the creative process more accessible to more people. Number 12. Fronty. Fronty simplifies the process of converting images into usable HTML CSS code, bridging the gap between graphic design and web design with the help of AI. This feature greatly streamlines the process for developers, saving them valuable time and effort. It automates the initial stages of transforming a design concept into a fully functional website. It also benefits individuals with a strong visual sense who lack coding knowledge. The tool's code generation is remarkable, effectively translating design elements while ensuring responsiveness on different screen sizes. The interface is designed to be easy to use, with a preview feature that allows you to see your changes instantly. It also seamlessly works with other design tools. This real-time interaction promotes a sense of collaboration between designers and developers, which is a significant benefit. Number 13. AutoDraw. AutoDraw by Google demonstrates the ease and accessibility of AI design tools. It transforms your initial sketches into polished illustrations. The machine learning algorithm of this tool predicts your drawing intentions and provides you with a range of refined sketches from which to select. AutoDraw simplifies the process of drawing and thinking by incorporating AI technology. The tool's user-friendly interface, along with its advanced machine learning capabilities, makes it accessible to both casual doodlers and experienced designers. Whether you're tackling a challenging design project or simply sketching for enjoyment, AutoDraw's predictive drawing will enrich your creative experience. Number 14. Vance. In order to generate high-quality visuals in an automated fashion, Vance is a design tool that utilizes deep learning and artificial intelligence. In order for it to function, you must first provide it with a photograph and then instruct it to generate a picture that is comparable to the one it has just seen. It is possible to construct a whole marketing campaign with just one click using this application, as well as generate mock-ups in a short amount of time. Number 15. Deep Dream Generator. Deep Dream Generator is an internet-based AI photo generator. It includes a variety of intriguing features, such as deep style and deep dream techniques. The platform can be utilized to generate a wide range of artistic effects, spanning from imaginative images to abstract designs. Number 16. Dream Studio. Dream Studio is a user-friendly text-to-image system that utilizes Stable Diffusion, an energy-efficient approach to optimize image creation. The Dream Studio editor has a user-friendly interface featuring a left-hand panel for settings and 4 images of a city view at sunset on the right. Dream Studio stands out for its ability to not only create images, but also skillfully edit and improve existing pictures. These methods ensure that all the intricate details are preserved, the images remain sharp, and any visual distortions or artifacts are minimized. It is capable of generating a diverse range of images, visualizing concepts from the text, and improving existing pictures with intricate details and sharpness. Number 17. Let's Enhance. Let's Enhance is a user-friendly graphic design tool that uses AI technology to enhance the quality of your images while preserving all the important detail. This feature is particularly helpful for enhancing the size of low-resolution images or improving the quality of old photos. Neural networks can enhance images by adding missing details, resulting in high-quality images even from low-resolution sources. Let's Enhance illustrates the remarkable capabilities of AI image editing and restoration. It improves the quality of images and makes sure they are high-resolution. Number 18. Flare AI. Flare AI enables businesses to effortlessly generate top-notch marketing assets in no time. It specializes in product photography, social media graphics, and other branded content that is customized to match the unique brand and style of the business. The AI algorithm operates by initially grasping the brand's style and aesthetic. It then uses this information to create marketing materials that align with the brand's identity. For instance, if a brand has a reputation for its minimalist style, Flare AI can create product photography that is clean and free of clutter. Number 19. FileStage. FileStage is an online tool that allows graphic designers to have full control over the content review process. The tool allows graphic designers to easily collaborate with both internal and external stakeholders on various file types, such as images, PDFs, websites, and more. The tool prioritizes user-friendly design and simplicity. This allows your stakeholders to provide feedback in a way that is easy to understand and straightforward, helping to propel your project forward. FileStage conveniently displays the status of projects in a clear and concise manner. Number 20. Alpaca. Alpaca is a user-friendly tool that demonstrates the capabilities of AI in 3D modeling. Their technology seamlessly transforms your 2D design into a 3D model, harnessing the capabilities of machine learning. Alpaca showcases the depth and perspective of your design, offering a 3-dimensional model that presents a more realistic view of your project. Alpaca assists product designers and architects in bringing their 2D sketches to life. You have the option to choose specific sections of your sketch for rendering. For instance, you could have a sketch of a person or character with minimal facial features. Highlight this section and provide a description of how you envision it to appear when it's completed. The AI will handle the remaining tasks. Alpaca is an excellent tool for individuals looking to easily visualize their designs in 3D. Number 21. PixArt. PixArt's online photo editor offers a wide range of editing tools that make it easy for anyone, regardless of their design experience, to create high-quality content. They also offer a user-friendly video editor that allows you to easily enhance your videos with music and effects. The app, along with its desktop web editor, is known for having one of the largest creative communities globally. PixArt provides a wide range of tools to help you excel in content creation, social media, and web marketing. Number 22. Galileo AI. At Galileo AI, they take pride in being your trusted partner for interface design. This tool can generate UX and UI design, elements, and more based on a text prompt that you provide. It utilizes advanced technology that incorporates the most effective user experience designs to develop interfaces that cater to your specific requirement. There's a wide selection of illustrations available for you to choose from. These illustrations can help you find the perfect match for your brand language and enhance your design. It can even include accurate product descriptions. Number 23. Pixelmator. Pixelmator Pro is a user-friendly tool designed specifically for graphic designers, offering a range of innovative features. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, with all the editing tools easily accessible. The image editing features are smart and intuitive. This tool is ideal for creating multiple projects, with user-friendly features for easily moving, resizing, and arranging layers. Number 24. Artbreeder. Artbreeder is a popular tool that allows users to create and share a wide variety of artwork, including visuals, paintings, and other artistic pieces. Artbreeder's guiding principle is focused on encouraging users to unleash their creativity and create in ways they never have before. The Artbreeder community has reached an impressive milestone of 10 million users. This has resulted in a vast collection of over 250 million images, all thanks to the combination of text and visual, using the incredible power of AI technology. Number 25. Autodesk Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a platform that allows you to create 3D models, design products, and manufacture them using the internet. This tool is great for creating electronics and circuit boards, as well as other projects. Fusion 360 generates a range of design alternatives using intelligent AI algorithms. It examines the preferences of users and the set parameters. And there you have it, folks, the top 25 AI tools for graphic designers in 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our new videos.